We will pay for your SHA coverage in totality for the whole year. And after we've been able to pay for your SHA coverage, that means you and your spouse, either your husband or if you're a male, your wife and your children will be covered. In the event your child has been admitted, has received medical treatment in any one of these facilities, and thereafter there's an amount that SHA has been able to cover, and there's an equal amount or any other amount whatsoever that needs to be covered by you as a parent, the County Government of Mombasa will forfeit those charges, and the executive at the County Government of Mombasa will fund back those facilities. When we started the financial year, prior to the end of this financial year, we had set aside for purposes of health and movement of the same at about 80 million shillings. I anticipate with the next budget, the figures should be a bit higher than that.